Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to my blog, and this is DJ Alvin. And today we are inviting here at Aberdeen Hotel for the Estilo Modelo Philippines Fashion Awards. At ilan sa mga models ng Di Mana Stylist Philippines ay makakapanayam natin, and ipapakilala ko sa inyo isa-isa ang mga modelo ng Di Mana Stylist Philippines. And before that, I would like to thank, of course, to Mami Annabel Balala, the owner and founder of The Mana Stylist Philippines. Don't forget to follow and like and share our my Facebook page, DJ Alvin. Okay, sir, good morning. And can you please tell me something about yourself?
In the world full of strength, I want to remain a classic king. I am James Patrick M. Lait, 11 years old. In the town of many beaches and cold weather, kay Laway, Nasugbu, Batangas.
Okay, Sir James, during pageant, so you are competing Kids and Teens Global Pageant Philippines, which is regional competition. Ano yung mga awards mo natanggap during that pageant po?
Best in national costume, best in interview, and best in photogenic, and best in
Yeah, you go. Okay lang yan. So, natitense. Sige, go lang tayo.
and Miss Teen Grand Winner and Miss Teen Grand Winner Television 2010.
And anong kategory ka doon na sumali ka sa pageant na ito? This is Mr. Global Philippines. Di ba may dalawang kategory doon, which is Little Mr. and Mr. Global.
Mr. Teen Global.
Alright. So, ngayong araw, which is, andito tayo ngayon sa Aberdeen Hotel for Estilo Modelo Philippines Fashion Awards. So, paano mo naman pinaghandaan itong araw na ito?
The best preparation for the contest would include developing my strong sense and self-confidence, honing my skills and talents, staying true to my unique style, my personality, or positive chance, and showcasing my genuine passion and dedication as this quality will set in